Let's, and मैंने पोकेमोन वाले नहीं देखे थे, मैंने मीशो पे देखा, we got Pokemon and I was like let's see क्या है, and ये 160 का था, it's like why not, that will be great, Pokemon Adventures, and this is how it looks. It's Hidenori Kusaka, art by Mato, and Japanese में ऐसे रिवर्स होता है उर्दू की तरह. तो all your favorite Pokemon game characters jumps out of the screen, blah blah blah. Red doesn't just want to train. His name is Red, and watch for Team Rocket and Red. They only want your enemy. ठीक है, and the price is about $9.99, which is wrong, but like हमें तो 160 का price, like a $1.50. So this is how it looks. Its name is Red. His name was, I think it's new. His name is Ash Ketchum. I think they have rebooted it. They usually reboots. Quality wise looks nice. It's like an very good quality, I would say, for that thing. And they did it in anime. It was, and then उसकी साइकिल चोरी हो जाती है, and वो साइकिल के पीछे fellow Pokemons are original, like the classic Alakazam, वो सब nice, like something to keep. Good. I just wish it was Ash Ketchum as compared to that, and everything is a little like Misty, Brock, Henny. So yeah, link in the description. Good, I would say. Recommended. Bye bye. Thank you.